Everybody, today we're gonna do my deep fried deviled eggs. You've seen these before. I'm sure a couple of kind of like upscale soul food places sell these items. I even seen steakhouses that sell these items. But of course, we're using Blue Magic all-purpose fry batter. Have you ever had a fried deviled egg? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, you can boil your own eggs, but the stores sell eggs already boiled for you, and that's what I'm doing. Now, I usually, let's say, if I'm making 10 deviled egg, I would use 16 eggs. Use all the yolks of 16 eggs. The other ones I might just throw away if I don't need them. We're gonna cut these in half, get all these yolks in here, and then the next step is coming. So let's get all these eggs open. All right. Now that we have our egg yolks out, what I do is I pick the best egg white, because you know some of them tear. So I'm gonna pick my best ones. These are the ones that's gonna make it to the batter. Yeah, these are my best ones. The rest of them, I mean, if you want some super health shit, I mean, eat them for breakfast. Or something, I don't know. I'm gonna just throw the shit away. Okay, now let's build our deviled eggs. This is the filling. I use QP mayo. My grandmother uses Miracle Whip, and she puts sweet relish in it. It's just too sweet. This kind of balances it out. Let's add our QP mayo. We're gonna add a little mustard for some acid. Add our sweet relish. And we're gonna add some diced pimentos. And we're gonna top it off with a little bit of cilantro. Cilantro just brings that extra freshness flavor to it. Now let's smash this down. Get that down. I mean, it's just like making a potato salad, so wanna get that nice and creamy. If it's not creamy enough for you, I like mine's extra creamy. So I'm gonna add a little more QP mayo. And to top it off, just a little pinch of salt. Perfect. Now, if you wanna be fancy and take it up a notch, you can add a little lump crab. This is how I like making mine. Don't have to put that much in there. And just enough is just gonna add more flavor to it. This is how I like to do it. You don't have to do it because, you know, you basically just added $40 more to your dish and come out with that. So we got our filling ready. Give it a taste. That's on point. We're gonna use our piping bag. If you wanna use a little spoon, that's fine, but this is gonna help, especially gonna help with your speed, because doing it with a spoon is just gonna stick to the spoon. You're gonna have to use your finger to get the filling off when you can just use a piping bag. So, now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let's fry our egg whites. All right, now it's time to fry our egg whites. And of course, we're using Blue Magic all-purpose fry batter, which you can purchase now. Just hit the link in the description, thebluestore.com. We're gonna dredge these just like we dredge anything else. We just have to be a little bit more delicate with it because they can break. We don't want them to break. So, just gonna do this. Now we're gonna, like I said, be delicate. You know, usually I'll tell you to press down, but you know, these are eggs, so we can't really press down. Usually I'll just grab one by itself and kind of, you know, press that batter in like that. Right. So that's gonna look good. And let's throw it in this grease. All right, they're about ready to come out. Keep them in there for about 3 to 5 minutes. I recommend that you cook these on about 375. It doesn't matter, you can cook them fast because, to be honest with you, when you fry egg whites, when you deep fry them, they get real rubbery if you fry them too long. But those are perfect. All right, so now we're ready to finish this dish up. I really recommend you get one of these. Deviled eggs are hard to sit on their own. So. And then you're gonna cut your pipe bag. And now we're ready. We're just gonna go I'm gonna hit them with a little Old Bay, a little more cilantro, and there you have it, fried deviled eggs. Fire. As you can see, Sunny's not here right now. I'm gonna let you know if her hair is not done, you won't see her. Sorry. But I've made these before. People love them. If you can get past the rubbery taste, then you're good. These are actually good to serve when you have friends over. I did them last Thanksgiving. I think you should do it this Thanksgiving. The recipe will be in the description. So like I said, when you deep fry egg whites, they get rubbery, but if you can get past that with this batter, you'll be good. That's fire. Mine aren't so rubbery because I fried them at 375, which helped them fry fast. That's what, if you do it at 325, it's gonna fry slow. When you take them off, the batter is gonna fall off. So remember, 375. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.